Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 3 methods of taking a screenshot in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. The first method is press the lower volume rocker and the power button at the same time like this. As you can see, a screenshot is captured. The another method is go in settings, scroll down, go in advanced features, go in motion and gesture. Make sure palm swipe to capture is enabled. Come on home again. Now you can take a screenshot by simply using this side of your hand like this. As you can see, my screenshot is captured. The third method is go in settings, come back, scroll down, go on accessibility, go in interaction, tap on assistant menu and enable it. As you can see, my assistant menu is enabled. Now you can simply tap on assistant menu and take the screenshot. As you can see, my screenshot is captured. From here you can edit it like I am cropping, and from here you can use the pencil. I'm selecting red color and marking around the screen. This is the eraser. If you want to erase this pencil, it is erased. Here is the share option and save option. If you want to share directly, tap on it and share anywhere, but I want to save it in gallery, so simply I will tap on this. If you want to take any long screenshot, for example I am taking of Epic Game website, tap on assistant menu, tap on a screenshot, and as you can see, screenshot is captured. Tap on the scroll down button, it is scrolling down and taking a screenshot. Tap on again and again. As you can see, my long screenshot is captured. This is how you can capture a screenshot in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe the channel.